June 22nd, 2024. Hello everyone, this is Mike. Here I'm making a video to show 15 set of flake ice evaporators we made this week, we complete this week. Here I'm making a video before loading them into the container. Here is a 500 kilogram per day capacity flake ice evaporator. These three are 1 ton per day capacity. As you can see, the top, the bottom, the cover, the bottom frame, water tank, everything, they are made of stainless steel 304. And here we have 5 set of 3 ton per day capacity flake ice evaporators. The same, the top, bottom, cover, everything stainless steel. And here 4 set of 5 ton per day capacity flake ice evaporators, stainless steel, also the bottom. And these two are 10 ton per day capacity. They are also made of stainless steel. Okay, and this is the video before loading them into the container. By the side of these flake ice evaporators, we have 4 set of 30 ton per day capacity flake ice machines. They are complete, and we are loading them next week very soon.